So the first thing we need to do is to remove the lid, and we do this by removing the label. So take the label off and the lid will come off along with it. Then we need to remove the circuit board, and this can be done by straightening the wires and then pulling out squarely. The light sensor is glued to the lens on the front, so you will feel some resistance, but eventually that seal will break and it will then come out. Once it's removed, we need to check the fuses on the back. There are 4 fuses, usually only 3 are used at any one time. This is the power supply fuse, and there's a fuse here which is 10 amps, another fuse here which is 10 amps, and another fuse here which is 10 amps. And we need to check the integrity of these fuses as a visual, so if they are broken then they need to be rejoined. And they can be rejoined by, there is another pad next to each fuse, and these pads can be joined back together again. If the photocell has been fused with a very large fuse, then what we find is that when these fuses actually blow, they can end up producing vaporized copper, which can splatter across other connections and cause the power supply fuse to blow. This will stop the unit clicking when it's working, as opposed to still clicking but not actually switching the load.